So guys, samahan nyo kami. Magpapalit kami ng satellite. So eto ang Starlink. Mag-unbox muna tayo. Then lalagay natin to sa tuktok ng barko. Bakit natin kailangan magpalit? Kasi defective yung nasa taas ngayon. So tara, samahan nyo kami guys para magpalit ng Starlink. So eto yung isa sa mga trabaho natin ng pagiging IT. Hindi ko nahahabaan guys. Panoorin nyo na lang yung time-lapse. Isang real quick lang to. Super real quick.
For sure, I'm already yours. Would that be alright? Hey, would that be alright? I want you to the moon, so that I can breathe. I found the one that makes me stay. I'm still looking for you. I found the one that cried away. I'm still waiting on you. Maybe receive for something that it could never have. Maybe we choose the only love we know we want to say. Maybe taking all the risks for something that is real. 'Cause maybe we learn this love is all is what the eyes can see. Oh, control, body and soul. Mind you for sure, I'm already yours. Walk you down a mountain, hold you tight, you can't let I take control of your body and soul. Mind you for sure, I'm already yours. I want you to take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling. Losing control, body and soul. Mental for sure, I'm already.
So guys, ito na yung finished product. Napalitan na natin yung equipment. Then tested na rin, working. Ngayon, pabalik na tayo ng opisina. So ayun, success tayo. Bye bye!